the blending of a mid-century modern sensibility. Within the confines of a tiny house, SC establishes a remarkable intersection of divergent architectural tenets. The severe efficiency demanded by contemporary minimal living and the buoyant, aesthetically driven flair characteristic of post-war American ingenuity. This particular fusion in construction is much more than a passing fancy for retro aesthetics. Rather, it serves as compelling evidence of the lasting resonance of the 1950s look, distinguished by its straightforward geometry, fluid forms, profound appreciation for organic materials, and a deliberate attempt to erase the division between internal rooms and the external environment. By skillfully translating these extensive MCM doctrines into a highly condensed and transportable module, these wheeled residences successfully capture the sophistication of that influential era, powerfully demonstrating that genuine style is independent of floor space and is fundamentally achieved through careful, deliberate design. This dedication to superior aesthetic quality is precisely what elevates these structures well beyond basic refuge, turning them into genuinely inspiring movable sculptures. To step inside a tiny house designed with a mid-century flair often feels like encountering a meticulously preserved snapshot in time, yet one that is perfectly adapted for the demands of 21st century existence. The internal structure functions as a comprehensive lesson in maximizing every functional aspect while rigorously maintaining an uncluttered and distinctive visual identity. Critically, the MCM philosophy, which prioritizes functionality above all and favors clean, open surfaces, is an ideal match for navigating the inherent storage limitations of extremely small homes. Key design components include the strategic application of rich, textured wood paneling such as deep walnut or light teak accents, asymmetrical shed roofs that dramatically enhance the available vertical volume, and the careful positioning of expansive, geometrically defined windows, all working together in classic MCM fashion to flood the space with light and frame the exterior view. Furniture selection heavily favors low-profile, adaptable pieces, often drawing inspiration from iconic designers like the Eames-Uppel or Sarnen, where single items possess dual capabilities, such as an ottoman concealing internal storage or integrated bench seating that cleverly transforms into a sleeping area. Vibrant yet precisely managed color injections, perhaps a single feature wall in a distinctive olive green or spicy orange,